want to unleash the power of technology to expand your brand's visibility to your target audience? Do you want to provide a hybrid experience of digital and offline marketing content in your premises? Do you want to maximize your returns on marketing spend by understanding your audience engagement? SDEM provides brands and marketeers the ability to run personalized campaigns based on various factors such as age group, location, language, and other demographics. Marketeers and brands can provide a rich experience of the products using augmented reality to engage the consumer and create awareness. You can enrich out-of-home billboard content into browsable digital content which is personalized to create hybrid experiences for your consumers. Digital displays become more intelligent using artificial intelligence and image recognition, etc., to display relevant content based on audience. Build a loyal clientele by administering instant offers, discounts, and reward points to the right consumers in digital form using the loyalty and rewards module. Notify your clientele about new arrivals, collections based on their interest in a visual form with interaction options. Manage the marketing events at your premises and analyze the outcomes in terms of audience engagement using the events module. Gamify to redirect footfalls into certain zones. Manage your game zones and other paid activities using ticketing module. integrate with other applications such as payment systems, ERP, etc. to provide additional insights. All in all, bring all the data from different activities in your premises or events in one place and gain a big picture for maximizing your marketing returns with SDEM. Thank you. SDM is the solution that you are looking for. Software defined marketing is a cloud based solution which helps you manage all your media assets and campaigns, provides insights into consumer interactions and trends of campaigns in different regions, premises, venues, or other patterns based on big data analysis.